In this video, I'll show you how to solve your problem that you're having with your TCL TV in case you're having those vertical lines appearing on the screen. I'll show you different solutions that doesn't require you to open up the TV. So let's start with the easiest of them that only takes a few minutes to try. Alright, so turn off your TCL TV and then unplug it from the power source. Wait 5 minutes, and during that 5 minutes I want you to find the power button, sometimes located under, sometimes on the side, and keep press during 30 seconds. Don't release it, keep press, and then when the time has passed, what you need to do is to plug back the TV into a wall socket. Do not plug it into a power strip. Sometimes those power strips are causing those vertical lines. So hopefully this will solve your problem. If not, solution number 2 is to go in the back of your TV where the HDMI ports are. Unplug the HDMI cable and try to replace it with another one you have laying around in your house, just to make sure that it's not the cable the problem. And then what you need to do is to plug it back into another HDMI port. So mine was in HDMI number 2 and I will plug it in HDMI number 3. If this didn't solve your problem, the lines are still there, what you can do is to remove the cable and then with your finger apply some pressure on the HDMI ports. By doing this, you can reconnect some contacts that get disconnected with time. So keep press many times, maybe 10 times, 20, and then connect back the cable and push it very, very well. Another solution you can try is to give some solid taps on the back of the TV. To do this, take a towel, a rag, anything, and you're gonna hold the screen with that rag so we don't scratch it and it doesn't fall on the ground. With the other hand on the back of the TV, with the palm of your hand, you're gonna tap it. Tap firmly many places. In the middle, on the sides, up there on the other way. This way we can reconnect some ribbons that get disconnected without opening the TV. Make sure you hold it well because we don't want the TV to fall on the ground. That's the role of the towel, to not scratch it. Finally, another solution is to factory reset your TCL TV, and I have put right there every steps you need to follow to do it. It will delete your accounts, your apps, but hey, if this can remove those vertical lines, I think it's worth trying. If you have another trick to solve this problem, please share it by typing it in the comment. Somebody will be very grateful to read it. So if not, just give a like, subscribe, write another type of comment, tell me how your day was or anything else about your TCL TV, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching.